All right, so for the second group of muscles here, we have our trio of scalenes, anterior, middle, and posterior. Again, pretty tough with the angles to draw this muscle, but I think you'll get what you're looking for here. For anterior scalene, we have the third, fourth, fifth, and sixth cervical vertebra, specifically the anterior tubercle, so it's on the front side of the vertebrae, and that muscle is going to travel down to insert underneath the clavicle onto the first rib. For middle scalene, it's the second cervical vertebra to the seventh cervical vertebra. Okay, that's going to be the origin. It is also going to travel down underneath the clavicle to insert on the first rib. Lastly, we have our posterior scalene, which is going to be on the posterior tubercles of 5, 6, and 7. It's a very it's positioned very low in the cervical spine. And there, if you see the second rib wraps back into T2, it's going to come down to insert on the most posterior edge of that second rib. So it is the one scalene inserting on the second rib. When we look at the actions of the scalene group, we have flexion of the cervical spine, lateral flexion of the cervical spine. It will rotate to the same side, the ipsilateral side, and it is involved in breathing, specifically lifting the ribs up on inhalation.